Hi Dave. So let me show you how you can see your leads. So what you need to do, this is your ad, all your campaigns for the month. So you can either click here for all tools and select business suite, and or you can easily click here to select instant forms, then wait for it to load. Once it loads, you would see all the forms. So now you can see all the forms, they are fully loaded. So this way you can easily download any form that you want here, and you can upload them on Referizer or whatever CRM you intend to use them on. So that's how you can access the forms, the leads. Thank you.